Hello. I'm often asked where should I install my ultrasonic or radar liquid level sensor on my tank? Well, tank applications are diverse and they range from simple to complex. So the short answer is locate and install the sensor on a flat perpendicular mounting surface that provides unobstructed measurement space between the sensor and bottom of the empty tank. But to best answer the question, let's look at the common tank attributes or equipment that you should avoid to properly locate the sensor. To do so, we'll reference a cylindrical tank. Do not locate the sensor in the center of a dome-top tank. The dome, or parabola, will refocus and amplify residual acoustic or RF energy, decreasing the signal-to-noise ratio and negatively affecting the measurement. Most tanks, including dome tops, have flat off-center mounting surfaces called shoulders, where sensors and equipment are installed. To mitigate the dome or parabolic effect, locate the sensor on a shoulder. Do not locate the sensor immediately next to the sidewall. As the measurement beam spreads over distance, the wall will increasingly interfere with the beam and negatively affect the measurement. Do not locate the sensor above in-tank pipes or similar mechanical apparatus. They will deflect the beam and negatively affect the measurement. Do not locate the sensor above inflow streams. Since they may not always be flowing, this can be easily overlooked at the time of installation. Therefore, avoid pipes and their potential inflow streams when locating the sensor. Some above ground and many below grade tanks have ladders for inspection. Do not locate the sensor above or right next to a ladder, as the rungs will deflect the beam and negatively affect the measurement. Some tanks have mixers for agitation. Do not locate the sensor above the mixer blades or shaft. Keep the sensor away from significant turbulence or consider dampening it by installing the sensor in a standpipe. Some tanks, and many sumps or wells, have submersed pumps. Do not locate the sensor above them. As the tank empties, the exposed pump will deflect the beam and negatively affect the measurement. So, the complete answer is, locate the sensor on the tank's flat shoulders off-center from a dome and free from any measurement beam obstructions, including walls, pipes, inflows, ladders, mixers, or pumps. Flowline is reliable level measurement